So today we will review some strokes that make me thinking of the strokes we have practiced in the Four Gentlemen. So in the Four Gentlemen, we started with practicing the centered brush stroke most of times, which is very essential. That comes from the calligraphy. When we're doing calligraphy strokes, we hold our brush slightly upright, so we have this centered brush stroke, and the strength goes onto the page. And that continue on to the painting technique. And later, when we studied the chrysanthemum, plum blossom, we start to evolve the brush technique into side brush stroke. Side brush stroke is very interesting, as there are so many different dimensions and angles we can play with. So here we'll review the side brush stroke when we are making an oval shape, which is the base of making a leaf. So for painting leaves, I'm using this is a combined brush stroke. Or you can also use a soft brush, which means it has the white hair. This combined brush inside it has some brown hair, so it's combined two type of the brush hair. So first I'm mixing some light ink onto my brush as a base color. And then I will add some dark ones on the front. So the side brush stroke, it comes as an oval shape. Just think about so magically with one brush stroke, we can create an oval shape. So first I will demonstrate. So with one brush stroke, from the beginning my brush is slightly standing up, and then gradually I press down, and then at the end my brush comes back. And this is a brush flow, how to make an oval shape. It's not perfect, but it demonstrates the shape it can make. So I start with a slightly centered brush stroke. So I come here and press down, and then my brush standing up again. Here is if you can see, here's a small return stroke, and press down and standing up. So the brush movement at the beginning, there is a slightly return and standing up. So that's the basic shape. You said we can paint leaves that is a little bit round or a little bit longer, depending on the brush flow. So again, I will use the same brush technique. I make an oval shape. And you can see, this one I'm loading slightly a little bit darker, but you can still see on this side is darker, this side is lighter, right? You can see that. And here on the darker side, I'm adding another stroke to create the other half of the leaf. Again, 1, 2. So this leaf is slightly side view. As you can see, the leaf vein is on this side, right? So it's not facing you, instead it's slightly tilted to the side. It's facing this way. This way of creating leaf is that you can add, you see there's a highlight in the middle. It's naturally, it creates this is like the leaf vein. So you create more 3D effect on the leaf. You can see there are two parts of the leaf. One is at the back and one is on this side. So again, the first part will make a small oval shape. And then we'll make the second one on the side to finish the leaf. Thank you very much for all the interesting questions. I can see you are exploring, and the curiosity is the best teacher for you on your painting journey.